Our school, Michael Nagar Shikhaniketan, government sponsored co-ed English medium higher secondary, has taken an excellent initiative in conducting online classes through YouTube channel. Even in this pandemic situation, our school did not step aback in providing and enhancing knowledge to the students. So it's a request to the viewers, please like, comment and subscribe.
We complete left part of let's work out 22.4 of chapter number 22. Chapter number 22 is formation of equation and it is solution for class 7. Now we select problem number 9 of let's work out 22.4. Here says that the speed of a auto rickshaw is 8 km per hour more than the speed of the cycle rickshaw. So our next sentence, Rita went to the station which is 19 km from her house and first in a cycle rickshaw for 2 hours and then in a auto rickshaw for 30 minutes. Let's find the speed of the auto rickshaw. Here already we want to know that here our unknown part is speed of cycle rickshaw. So at first we assume speed of cycle rickshaw. Let speed of cycle rickshaw is x km per hour. All of you know that km per hour here unit of speed. For that reason we write here x km per hour. Then speed of auto rickshaw will be x plus 8 because the question says that 8 km hour more than the speed of the cycle rickshaw. If speed of cycle rickshaw will be x, then speed of auto rickshaw will be x plus 8. Now we calculate, and our another information here, first in a cycle she travel for 2 hours and auto rickshaw 30 minutes. Now we try to find how many distance she traveled by cycle rickshaw in 2 hours and how many distance she traveled by auto rickshaw in 30 minutes. Here all of you know that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Then 30 minutes will be 1 by half hour. Now, in 1 hour in cycle rickshaw can travel x kilometer distance. Then in 2 hours can travel 2 into x kilometer. In auto rickshaw we can travel in 1 hour, or Rita can travel in 1 hour can travel x plus 8 kilometer or km. Then in half hour can travel half into x plus 8. Now Rita, here we easily see that Rita travel total distance in 2 hours and 30 minutes. Total travel, Rita travel total distance in 2 hours and 30 minutes, 2x kilometer plus x plus 8 by 2 kilometer. This is the total distance that travelled by Rita. Okay. But her total distance given 19 kilometer. So, according to the question, we can write 2x plus x by 8 by 2 equal to 19. Now, try to solve this equation. Here nothing, that's mean denominator will be 1. So, LCM will be 2. So, we get 4x plus x plus 8 equal to 19. 2 is the form of division. So, 2 will be multiplied on right hand side. So, 4x plus 5x give us 4x plus x give us 5x plus 8, that's equal to 38. Positive 8 when shifted to another from one side to another side, this will be negative 8. 5x equal to 30. So, value of x given 6. Value of 6 here, x here 6. So, let us find the speed of the auto rickshaw. We assume here speed of cycle rickshaw equal to width, that's equal to 6 kilometer per hour. So, speed of auto rickshaw will be x plus 8, that's equal to 6 plus 8, that's equal to 14 kilometer per hour. This is our record answer. Now, we try to solve problem number 7. This is the easier problem, but just I want to discuss what is the main conclusion or main part of this math. Here tell that in problem number 7, the three angles of a triangle are x degree, 2x degree, 3x degree. Now, let us find the measure of the greatest angle. Let us find the measure greatest angle. At first, we try to value of x. All of you know that sum of three angles of a triangle 180 degree. So, according to the question, we can write here x degree plus 2x degree plus 3x degree equal to 180 degree. Because sum of three angles of a triangle are 180 degree. All of you know that. Then try to solve or find value of x. X plus 2x plus 3, that's equal to 6x equal to 180. 6 is multiplied here, so 6 will be divided. So, 180 will be divided by 6 by transposition rule. So, we get 30. So, value of x here 30. Now, we try to find value of all angle. First angle is x, that's equal to 30 degree. Second angle 2x, that's mean 2 into x, that's mean that's equal to 2 into 30 degree, that's equal to 60 degree. So our next or third angle 3x degree, that's equal to 3 into 30, that's equal to 90 degree. So easily we can see here 90 degree is the greatest angle. This is our required solution. Now our last problem, problem number 10. Now try to solve. Problem number 10 here says that at the present Maria is 8 years old. Maria is 8 years old, older than Maria is 10 years older than his younger brother. His younger brother. Now, next line is after 4 years, Maria's age will be double of the age of his brother. Maria's age will be double of the age Now let's find their present age. Now try to solve this problem. Here our unknown part is their present age, and from first sentence we can easily see that Maria's age depend on his brother age. So for that reason we can assume or let us suppose age of Maria's brother, we can suppose Maria's brother's age x years. So Maria's age will be here says that 8 years older than his younger brother. For that reason we write here x plus 8, because we assume here Maria's brother's age here x. For that reason we write here Maria's age will be for x plus 8. Now suppose your present age is 14 years. Now after 1 year your age will be 14 plus 14 years. After 1 year, that will be after 1 year it will be 14 plus 1. After 2 years this will be 14 plus 2. After 3 years your age will be 14 plus 3. After 4 years, your age will be 14 plus 4. Similarly, after 4 years, brother's age will be x plus 4 years. Then Maria's age will be x plus 8 plus 4 years. But our next information says that after 4 years, Maria's age will be double of his brother. After 4 years. So, according to the question, we can write after 4 years, Maria's age here x plus 8 plus 4. And this age will be, that's mean equal double of his brother. Double here, Maria's brother is here x plus 4. So, we can write 2 into x plus 4. Now, try to find the value of x. X plus 8 plus 4, that's equal to x plus 12 equal to 2x plus 8. We keep like term in one side. For that reason, we write here 2x minus x. We write here 12 minus 8, 2x minus x, that's equal to 4 equal to x. That's mean value of x here 4. So, Maria's brother is here, we suppose here x here. So, answer will be Maria's present brother in present, Maria's brother is 4 years, and in present Maria's age 4 plus 8, that's equal to 12 years. This is our required answer. Now, this is the last method of let's work out 22.4. So, that already we complete many problem of 22.4. Let's work out 22.4. Now, left you can easily solve on your home. That's all for today.
Subscribe. Click on the bell. Like, comment, share.